this would be great. If you say working on a budget, I'll pop up. And I am.
Okay. Yeah, good. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right. The small block Chevy may be obsolete by a generation or so, but if you're just starting out or you're working on a budget,
Like me.
yeah, there's still millions of these things out there, and chances are you're going to get your hands on one eventually. Setting the valves on these, right? It's like the most basic thing of all. They've all got the same ball and stud valve arrangement, and people have all different methods of adjusting them. But if you're just starting from scratch, let's say it's a brand new motor, or you just put the cam in, or you just put the heads on it, you're getting started. Here's the quickest, easiest, simplest way to get an almost dead nuts adjustment before you actually even start the engine, right? What you do is get rid of your cigarette, and you have each rocker this loose, okay? So that you can just lift up and down, no resistance. Tighten it down as you pull the rocker up and down. When all of your up and down play is gone, right there, well, right there, don't worry about side to side like that. You're only concerned with this, up and down. There's no up and down there, go 1/4 turn. And that's it. That's approximately the preload of the lifter. Now, this is an engine with a new cam in it. The lifters aren't pumped up yet. So you have to be careful that you're not actually going further than that. That's why it's very important to only go with the up and down play. So what you do is, you do that across the whole motor. Bring them all to that level. They're not going to be all adjusted. Then you rotate the motor 360 degrees. And all of the ones that are loose are the ones that you didn't get on that first go around. So after you rotate it, you run through the order and you find the ones that are still floppy, do the same thing to them. With that, you're actually good enough to toss the valve covers on and give this thing its first start. That's it. Simple, basic 101 stuff. See you tomorrow.